Now you can put your snoring to sleep with a sip of water. Simply use the new patent-pending Dream Sipper to sip a glass of water and strengthen the weak oral muscles that cause snoring. You can see here how easy the Dream Sipper is to use and how effective it is at targeting those small muscles, specifically the soft palate and the tongue. You can feel the Dream Sipper revitalize your soft palate and tongue as you drink. Oral exercises are clinically proven to reduce snoring. Dream Sipper makes it fast and easy. All it takes is just 5 minutes a day to start hearing results within a week. Guaranteed comfort all night long because there are no gadgets to wear to sleep. To learn more about why many doctors recommend the Dream Sipper or to order now, go to dreamsipper.com.